A complaint linked to the Enyobeni tragedy has been registered with the Human Rights Commission.
It is now seeking legal advice over how to approach the matter. The complainant believes that government and its agencies have failed to protect South Africans from the harmful use of alcohol.
It argues that the rights of the 21 young people who died in the tavern were violated when they were allowed into the establishment.
Well, as you know, the Human Rights Commission was on the ground very early on after this incident occurred. Now, we opened what we call an own accord investigation into this matter, but we have received, like you've mentioned, a complaint from civil society, and which we have registered and consolidated into our main investigation. The issues that were raised are broad and very much in line with what our own concerns are regarding several stakeholders and potentially the lapse in their mandates in leading up to what this tragedy has now resulted into.
Coming to the young people now are still at school, they are writing their exams, and the incident was prompted by a pens down campaign where they celebrate after writing their examinations. We are now about 2 weeks away from them completing their exams. So can we expect a similar nature of them celebrating in that way, which infringed their rights and coming to substance abuse, which led to that tragedy?
Well, that is exactly why the Human Rights Commission is very specific to call onto the local authorities to be aware and prevent a similar occurrence. We know that the kids will be returning home. We know that they are looking for recreational activities to keep them busy. Now, in terms of our own monitoring and inspections, for instance, in Scenery Park, we noted that there are no appropriate recreational facilities available for them. We interviewed communities at large there. So our recommendation and our call onto government and the authorities are be aware, be vigilant, so that we can prevent an incident that will again occur in this nature.
And are you satisfied with what has been happening with the tavern owner being arrested at this stage, facing a charge of selling alcohol to underage patrons and allowing them into the establishment? Do you feel as though more could be done?
Well, we are confident that the authorities in charge are taking this matter forward in terms of the criminal case, but we are also looking at other avenues to provide redress to the families.